In 2005, Vina New Tarps first stepped onto Vietnamese soil. Through 2 decades built on technology and trust, continuous investment in equipment, we've grown to become a leader in the worldwide market. With exports to over 30 countries and an annual supply capacity of more than 10,000 tons, Vina New Tarps manages its products in accordance with international quality expectations. Guided by sustainability and responsibility, we conduct joint inspections with global partners, establishing our place as a trusted name in the global market. What we create here is more than just fabric. It's a shield for industry, a guardian for the environment, and a symbol of trust from Vina New Tarps to the world. Your sustainable business partner, Vina New Tarps.